Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof from the website I shared with you in the past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. Okay guys, this is the website. This website link available in the description. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. First of all, just choose your cryptocurrency. This website just pay you Tron. This much coin I have, just I put my faucet pay wallet address and just I click withdraw. This website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. You can see this website send me. I go to my faucet pay to show you this website pay me or not. Just I reload the page, come down, and you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. And this website link available in description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and this website link available in description. You can easily make money from this website. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.